In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add publications to your LinkedIn profile, a great way to showcase your professional achievements and expertise. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head on over to LinkedIn.com. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in the LinkedIn URL, or simply click the link if you have it bookmarked or readily available. Once you are on the main page, the next step you need to take is to log in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account if you've linked them previously, or you can just enter your email address and password as usual. For those who have two-factor authentication enabled for an added layer of security, be sure you have your phone nearby. LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by sending a code via text message. Once you receive that code, just enter it into the space provided and you'll be good to go. Now, let's make our way to your LinkedIn profile. Look towards the upper right corner of the home page, where you should see your avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. What you are going to do here is click on View Profile. Now that you're viewing your profile page, it's time to spruce it up by adding your publications. Beneath your profile picture, locate the Add Profile section button. Go ahead and select this option, which will reveal a set of additional menus for you to explore. From here, you want to navigate to the additional option where you'll find the Add Publications feature. Selecting Add Publications opens up a new area where you can start entering details about your work. As you are entering this information, it's crucial to be thorough. Make sure to fill in all the required details like the title of your publication, the date it was published, and the names of any authors involved, including yourself. Be precise with these details to ensure that everything appears correctly on your profile and truly reflects your accomplishments. Once you've carefully filled out all the information about your publication, look for the Save button. Click it to finalize the process. By doing this, you'll add your publication details to your profile, making your achievements visible to your connections and any other visitors who might check out your LinkedIn page. And just like that, you're done. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a publication to your LinkedIn profile, enhancing your professional presence. This is a great way to let the world know about your contributions to your field and add more depth to your online professional persona. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.